Hello everyone, today, I'll share with you how to add a new hard disk to a Windows virtual machine. There are two main steps. Let's start with procedure 1, adding a new hard disk. First, select the virtual machine you want to expand disk space for from the library. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Then, click the Add option. Select Hard Disk and click Next. Follow the instructions displayed in the window. On the Specify Disk Capacity page, you can set the amount of disk space you want. Click OK after adding the hard disk. Procedure 2, expanding storage space in the guest OS. In the virtual machine, right-click the Windows icon and select Disk Management. The program will prompt you to initialize the disk. Click OK. The new disk will then be displayed at the bottom of the interface. Right-click it and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard's instructions to complete the operation. You should see a new volume displayed now. Great, that's all for today.